Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this KOROBIE baby food maker blender. As you can see, it comes in this very nice small form factor. Got the plug right there. It's even got a suction cup to keep it in place so that it doesn't fall off the countertop and make a big mess. As you can see, you open it up like so. You've got this nice cover here to prevent any type of food or liquid getting into the electrical components there. Here you've got the blades with these nice protective covers so you don't cut yourself. That will be what will be doing the chopping of the food. Go ahead and put that on. Simply, you'll just line it up and you'll press down. That's all you have to do. And it'll chop up any type of fruits, vegetables, anything your kid maybe doesn't want to eat. You could chop it up nicely, make it into like kind of like a smoothie, and they'll enjoy eating it. So it also comes with this little thing, probably to like scrape things off, and then the user manual.